Belém is a famous riverside district in Lisbon, home to many of Portugal's most notable monuments and museums. Perhaps the most famous is the 16th century Jerónimos Monastery. Since it's so beautiful, it attracts a huge crowd. Try to arrive before the doors open, or go later in the afternoon.
The only good thing about the long wait outside is that they don't allow the monastery to get too crowded inside, so the visitor experience is very pleasant.
The Church of Santa Maria, on the right here, is part of the complex but has its own separate line, which is usually very short. Both the interior and exterior are very ornate.
After dealing with the crowds, we spent an hour or so relaxing in the nearby Lisbon Tropical Botanical Garden. It's a worthy stop, located directly between the monastery and our next very tasty stop.
Egg tarts are everywhere in Portugal, and Pastéis de Belém is the grandfather of them all. The restaurant has been serving them for nearly 200 years, since the monks at the monastery passed along the recipe. You can even look through the kitchen window and watch the bakers in action.
A short walk away is the Monument of the Discoveries, which celebrates Portugal's many explorers during their Age of Discovery. Nearby is Belem Tower, which was built in the 16th century to defend Lisbon from the incoming raids along the Tagus River.
There is a link to our full blog post on Belém in the description, and leave a comment below if you're planning a trip to Lisbon too.